Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to draw wainscoting using free modeling. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm already in my free modeling function. Alright, so we can start by drawing a rectangle. Alright, so by using the free modeling function to draw wainscoting, you can draw it on the floor and also on the ceiling. So it's not a must to only draw on the wall surface. Alright, so right now I already have a rectangle. Alright, so I can click onto the rectangle. We can select this loaf and click on loaf. Alright, so we can actually select the angle. So for instance, I'm going to select this. I can just choose. Alright, so right now we can actually edit the frame. Okay, so we can flip it upwards, downwards. All right, we can mirror it horizontally and also vertically. All right, and also we can also rotate 90 degrees. All right, and over here we can actually change the size. So for example, I change this to 50. All right, we can also click on this and change it, for example, 70. Alright, so the height you can actually adjust over here at the corner bottom. Alright, besides that, we can also use this path stakeout. Alright, so we're going to just draw a line. Alright, right click. Okay, then right now we are going to select a decoration line. So for example, I'm going to select this one. So I just click choose. Alright, same thing over here when we click onto this path stakeout. At the bottom, we can actually edit. Alright, we can just flip it horizontally and then we can also adjust the size. Alright, so this is how to draw wainscoting using the free modeling function. Good luck trying, guys.